Hello there. This video will guide you on how to fill the top setting requirements before you visit your dashboard. First, for product syncing across your Shopify store and the app, tick Select All option or choose the specific attributes on your own. Then, click on Save and move to the next requirement. Now, fill up the inventory requirements. Fill the threshold product inventory and then fill the maximum product inventory. Whenever your inventory reaches below this threshold inventory, it will update as out of stock on Tophatter. Click Save and move to Next. Now, filling your shipping price. Make sure to arrange it between $0 to $99. Click on Save and move to the next option. Now, choose your shipping country. Click on the side arrow button, choose the country, click on the Save button and move further. Enter your fulfillment days. Make it between 0 to 5 days. Save the data and move to next step. You can now fill your delivery days. Ensure your delivery within 3 to 21 days for a good customer experience. Save the data. Now, set your scheduling fee. For auction purposes, you can choose your bid between $1 to $5. Save this and move to the next option. Adding on more, fill your starting bid in case of an auction or set 0 if you only want to upload it in the Buy Now section. And with this, you are done with pop-up top setting requirements. You now have access to detailed setting options. For the remaining setting requirements, click on the setting icon from the top bar menu. You can now see 4 options on the left side of the screen. First, choose Marketplace configuration and fill in the access token and your seller ID. Click on Save. Now, click on the product configuration option and now fill the remaining required fields. First, enable the product create option by clicking Yes. Then, choose a suitable option. You can choose custom and select the specific product type for auto product import. Now, select a suitable custom pricing option. You can keep a fixed price or keep it varying by percentage. Save the data and click on Order Configuration. Here, you can enable or disable the order synchronization and order shipment as per your business needs. Proceeding further, go to Shipping Configuration and fill in the remaining options like maximum daily schedule. It should be more than one time. Lastly, mention your fulfillment partner. Make sure to save the changes for a flawless user experience. That's all. We hope this video helps you.